Dear Gizzard friends, today we are going to prepare a very tasty first course. We'll stuff some pasta shells and then we'll bake them until golden. Stuffed shells. I'm getting hungry. Must be the smell and colour. Let's start from the sauce. I pour a nice round of oil in the casserole. I pour the chopped onion. I let it cook for about 10 minutes at low temperature. This is the secret to a tasty but at the same time light sauce. Onion well stewed. Look how it has become beautifully soft. Let's add the tomato puree. Salt. And let it cook for 45–50 minutes. We keep the temperature medium-low and our sauce will be well reduced. We can take care of the meat, run the oil in the pan. Let's add the clove garlic, let the oil flavor. And I can add the minced pork. And then the beef. Let's keep it at a medium-high temperature so it will brown well. Great, I can remove the garlic. That did its job. Underglaze with red wine. Let the alcohol evaporate. A grind of salt. While the meat is cooking, we'll throw the pasta. The water is already salted, in go the shells. If the pasta is half cooked, we can drain it. We put it back in the pot, round of oil, and I stir it gently to avoid breaking it. I transfer it on a nice tray and let it cool, and then we could stuff our shells. Already, we can take care of the stuffing. Cow's milk ricotta, already sifted. Let's add to the meat Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, salt and pepper, mozzarella, half of it finely sliced. I'll use to garnish the cooking tray of our shells. I dice up the remaining and I'm going to add it to our stuffing. A nice stir, and then we transfer the stuffing straight into a piping bag. The sauce is ready. I pour a ladle on the bottom of the baking dish, and I stuff my shells with a filling. As soon as they're ready, I place them in the dish. The first layer of shells is complete. I cover them with more sauce. Only the slices of mozzarella that I had kept aside are missing. A sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. And a last grind of pepper. Ready to bake, 220 degrees of static mode, and after 20 minutes we will switch to grill mode at maximum power to make our shells beautiful golden. And here are our ready-to-serve shells. I'll link the photo recipe on Giallozafferano down below, where you will find ingredients, doses, step-by-step procedure. If you liked this video, put a nice like, and if you have any questions, write them in the comments. Oh, if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel, Stuffed Shells. See you next. Bye, YouTubers. Bye.